Sri Hassan Najar, the student of class 11 Oriental Public School. So, our team has made a simple prototype on electricity generator. As you can see over here. Before going ahead, I would like to introduce my teammates. As you can see, our team leader is Lak and Nijat along with Husranaj and Asia Parveen. And this project has been done under the supervision of our Mr. Shams Tabriz sir. So, I am going to explain it in detail. As you can see over here, it's a jar, electric heat generating jar. The waste material will be dumped on it and burn out in it, and the electricity will generate. And as you can see over here, these two are heating panel, and that will generate heat energy. So the heat energy that will generate, that convert electric energy, and that will store on it PVC board on it. As you can see, that has connected with a resistor that will also resist the current which will produce. If high electricity will produce, that will resist. And along with, we have connected over here a battery and a capacitor. So we have connected at first battery, that is a 4-volt battery. If we need a more electricity, then that will store on it, and without using battery, that we can operate with a capacitor also. So as this is multimeter that will measure out the voltage and current also, and then we have connected all this stuff with a LED bulb, as you can see over here. So the electricity will produce and then the bulb will glow out. And as you can see over here, this is as you can see over here, it is a heating sensor. When that will get heat, and that will automatically on the whole power supply. So I have finished this side, and let's move to that side. When the smoke will come out, that will enter into the two cooling filters. As you can see over here, this cooling filter will cool out and produce a powder which is known as a lamp black powder, that will roll out with the help of, that will pour on it the roller, and that will roll out, and that will roll out ink in eclectic ink tube. So that's all. So we have finished that, and we have a special thing. After that, what will the use of the residue that will leave? We can use in it on a construction site and building infrastructure development also. So that's all about my project, and I would like to special thanks to my team and my sir, especially thanks along their dedication that could be possible. Thank you.